Guys, hope you all have a fantastic day. Well, today I need your help because I need to decide should I save my car or just find another donor body, because there is a lot of the rust holes, and I would really like to hear what you think about that. So let me show you what I think of the front end. Well, if you can see, there is a rust hole here. Here is everything rusted. On the other side it's even worse, and the front end, it's just bad. So yeah, and if you go inside, this is just rusted and gone, and that's really just not good. So yeah, please tell me what you think about this. I'm thinking to chop a whole front end and put a new one in. You can buy all the parts, so I'm thinking about doing that. And if someone done that, please share your tips and tricks on how to do it. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun project. But yeah, let me show you from the inside. Okay, from the inside, it's actually not that bad, or all the floors are good, but I had a major hit here and I bented everything inside, so I don't know how hard it's gonna be this to fix, but I'm thinking about cutting everything like this, to cut everything out and replace it with new part. So yeah, that's pretty much the only bad part about this side, and the passenger side is in great shape. Everything on the floors are good, but when we are going back, I just need to go inside. We have, like every niva, we have rust holes like this, and I really wanted to show you how bad is it. So I leave the one piece intact, and I got a hammer. So yeah, it need to be fixed, but pretty much except that, everything else is good. About here where the gas tank is, everything is good. So I think that's all fixable. But yeah, let's now leave the car and show you what we have underneath. Well guys, I need to replace all this wheel arch because everything is rusted and in body kit. So I would replace everything to eliminate all the rust. I need to fix this hole, but that's pretty easy. And on every corner like this, it's or bented or so rusted. So in every corner I need to replace this, but that's not that hard. If we go back, this is good, but here is rust, so I need to replace it. Back side is actually in pretty good condition, so I like that. On this side, I think I'm gonna replace it because it has a lot of rust, but it didn't rust through. And the same deal, the wheel arch is bad, is rusted, it got a lot of body kit, so I'm gonna replace it. And if you can see, this is bented. We need to straighten this, and I'm gonna reinforce it. But that's pretty much it from the back side. Everything else is in good condition, like this trunk space, everything is good here. Here is original color. So yeah, everything is pretty good here. And this is where it got hit. Everything is just painted so that it doesn't look too bad, but I'm really scared of this and what to do about that one. And that corner is actually in pretty good shape, and the rails and everything is in pretty good. It's a little bit pinched here, but everything else is in pretty good shape. So yeah, guys, please let me know in the comments what I need to do, because it's a little bit scary to chop off an entire front end, but I think it's gonna be a really cool video. So please let me know what I need to do. I know this video is different from what I usually make, but I really want to hear your opinion. So I dedicated this whole video about what I need to do, what should be best to do. So guys, please let me know, and if you like this, please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video where we are going to decide what we are going to do. See ya!